Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you today? We are going to discuss today we are topic and uh, um, exciting new project on Gate.io launch pool. It's called Phones SOPH. This project is inspired by cutting edge all and Web3 technologies, aiming to build a decentralized all infrastructures that empowers developers and communities like Zophone, combines the powers of all with the transparency and security of blockchain, making it a unique solutions in the evolving teach space. In this stream, I shall guide about how launch pool work. What is phone is okay. Sorry, guide you through what so phone is all about, how launch pool work, and how you can get involved and potentially earn rewards. So stay tuned. Okay, so we are start in project. Okay. Get launch pool newly added Sophon SOP stack GT BTC soft to earn more details. Um, Get launch pool newly added Sophon soft stack GT BTC soft to earn reward delivered in real time. Duration time 28 start 28 May 2025 and Sophon Soft will be launched on Gate Launch Pool stacked um, so will be launched on Gate launched pool stack BTC GT BTC soft to earn soft tokens reward every hour. Airdrop details stacking period May 29 May to 8 June 2025 and 12 UTC. Okay, total stacking reward 24 billion soft. GT BTC stacking period GT BTC soft and total stack reward and mm, price pool per horse and yearly reward per users, maximum stacking amount per users and maximum stacking amount per user. Okay guys, stacking to earn no. Okay. SOPS SOF. SOF is a platform detected to onboarding the next generations of crypto users through every day. Useful uh, consumers products that monetize and reward the data as will naturally products so phone takes blockchains by one speculations offering real applications people love and use daily without the without the fluctuations of traditional crypto experiences. Okay, and total stacking rewards 15 billions as OPG PH. Okay, and total stack BTC and price pool yearly cap 62 5,500 soft and BTC individual hourly reward cap 2500 SOPH and minute reward minute and minute reward 10 days and ESTAR total reward Total reward in the last hour opening a reference is price of the reward queen's last hour's total stacking. Closing price of the stacking queen of the last hours. 365 hash 24 hash 100% date is update purely the APR is an estimate and the actual annualized returns you are finally receive shall prevails. Okay, 90.87%. Next, individual stacking cap. Individual stacking cap VIP 0, VIP 4, and 10 BTC. 10 BTC. Okay, participants 17s. Okay, and more my stacking, my reward, and more details stacking illiterate. So, and next official website. Okay, this page is not available. X Twitter. Next, X Twitter. Everyone, welcome, join my live channel. How are you today? Good morning, everyone. Have a nice day and have a good day. Next, we'll discuss more explanations on white paper. More details. White paper. Welcome to Soft. Choose your path. And Sophon is a ZK chains that completely references on chains experience. Uh, Okay, so one is a ZK chain that completely equalize entry level for BTC and Ethereum. Yes, I am carrying a project. Okay, Galai, and okay, okay, Zalomo. Sophon is a ZK chain that completely redefines on-chain experience. Real applications are simple user experience and highly scalable. Sophon brings crypto to the world, explores your journey, begins here. So start building your products on chains and discovers, explores the Sophon universe and nodes. Learn about Sophon nodes. Okay, what is the page helpful? Yes, this is a page is helpful. Next, using phone. Follow this step to beings connecting your wallet as an EVM chain. So phone will be readily available on every wallet interface and supported by MetaMask, Robi, Rainbow, and any other EVM wallet. To edit the Sophon network, manually follow this step. Number one, open your browser wallet. Number 2, go to setting. Number 3, click to add network. Fill in the following informations in the relevant field. Okay, network name, ARPU, chain 10 and currency, block explorer and web stock. Breeding to Sophon, you can breeds to Sophon from Ethereum using the native breeds. And uh, eh, next, navigate to the top of your wallet. Pop up, click on the drop down menu and select to Sophon networks, and you should be good. It's okay. What is Sophon? What is Sophon? Sophon is a ZK chain that is part of ZK Sanic Brothers Elastic Chain Visions. Key features of Sophon: one, built on Veldum and the ZK stack. Sophon leverage Validiums as part of the ZK stack, offering the following advantages: higher process, larger volume of transactions or efficiently, low transaction fees, enables cost effective interactions for users. Layer 2 benefits, as a layer 2 network, Sophon ensures scalability while maintaining the security of the Ethereum mainnet. Okay, and intro, probability through elastic chain. Key advantages of being part of the elastic chain's vision is a seamless interoperability. So phones enables frictionless interactions between itself and other ZK chain. Users and applications can operate across chains without liquidity fragmentations, and interoperability prevents silo, allowing liquidity to follow freely between chains, which further enhance the on-chain experience. Okay, number three, enhanced user experience by combining scalability with interoperability. Sophon ensures that users benefits from a fast, seamless, and secure environment. Uh, Developers can build applications that interact effortlessly with the entire Zkey ecosystem. Conclusions of on foundations on Validium's its integrations into the Zkey stack and its alignment with the elastic chains vision make it a powerful platforms. Whether you are users to developers, often eliminates barriers, offering scalability, interoperability, and superior on-chain experience. Next question: why so phone? Okay, why so phone? The crypto industry is undergoing transactional phase over the past several years. The focus has been on building infrastructures that is scalable, secure, and decentralized to handles large transactions volumes. Well, not perfect that this well not perfect this structures has reached a point of adequate scale, some might say even overstructures. Okay, the problem onboarding users is not just about building a robust technical infrastructures. It is about creating a sleek commerce focused applications. Current challenge structures situations feel that structures sides of the industry has measured adoptions has been solo because user experience often remains overly technical and intuitive. Applications built on these infrastructures often fail to appeals to a broader non-crypto audience. Speculations drives products. Many exciting crypto applications are driven by speculations, making them unsituationable during market downturns and short-lived due to their reliance on building on liquidity cycle. Okay, and enter phone, Mr. Flower 77. Welcome, join my live channel. How are you today? Good morning, good work. Thank you so much. Appreciate me. Good work. So, guys, today we are discuss SOF project. Okay, and special sorry inter sophon mission is become the hub of consumers crypto introducing applications that extend by one speculations and infrastructures to create engaging accessible and widely used platform. What makes phone different and what is consumer crypto different so phone leverage. Mr. Flower, thank you so much. Appreciate me. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam, you queen. How are you today? So, for leverage crypto powers on intent native monetary system, integrating it seamlessly with consumer application to redefines online experience. What is consumer crypto? Consumer crypto represents the next frontiers of crypto adoptions, focusing on applications that extend by one the exciting crypto native audience. Enhance user experience in everyday use cases, including entertainment, social interactions, and more. Okay, and next. नहीं, यूक्रेन मुझे आज मिला है। अभी मिला है, अभी करने को दिया गया है तो मैं कर रही हूँ। ओके, आर यू अंडरस्टैंड? Characteristics of consumers crypto mass appeals target applications that resonates with the broader public, such as gaming, ticketing, and social platform engaging experience and users contracts design and examples of consumer crypto applications and gaming and betting platform, ticketing system, social media platform. Okay, the market opportunity, um, the potentials for इसलिए कह रहे थे, क्या कह रहे थे, यूक्रेन कौन कह रहा था? टेल मी। And the potentials for consumers crypto lies in its ability to combine multiple sectors under one platforms. With crypto integrations, these industries can unlock new levels of user experience and engagement. Uh, okay, the market opportunity and sector valuations ticket 100। ओके ओके, आपको कल मिला था और मुझे आज मिला है। इसकी लास्ट डेट जो है वो 6 जून है। ओके, 6 जून मुझे बताई गई है लास्ट डेट। गेमिंग, गेमिंग 285। ओके ओके, फ्लावर 89, गुड नाइट। Online betting 15 plus billion industries social platform used by 5.2 billion uh, people worldwide with an average use to offer 12 2 hours 20 minutes daily. Valuation examples: YouTube valued at 31 billions 2024, Meta feedback Instagram WhatsApp valued at 1.4 billion. So phone unique approach and so phone encapsulates all these sectors, offering a platform where crypto serves as the native monetary layer seamlessly integrated into consumer app. And by one's speculations and uh, fractionless integrations for non-crypto users, scalables and engaging online experience, seamless integrations of internet native money into consumers product, and a border vision border regions so phone infrastructures makes it easy for non-crypto audience or to interact with crypto applications, whether it's gaming, ticketing, or social platform. So phone brides the gap, creating the ultimate platform for online experience. Okay, the bottom line support and stand the instructions of crypto infrastructures and consumers focusing applications addressing an untapping market with massive potentials. In summary, crypto will become the digital money layers of the internet. So phone will be the bridge that connects consumer applications with crypto rails. Together they will create new area of online engagement and innovations. That market opportunity for consumer crypto and so on is immense. The possibilities valhalla. Okay. Validium. Validium is a specialized blockchain scaling solutions designed to improve scalability by making use of chains data availability. This approach offers several advantages, including enhanced privacy and reduced transaction costs. It avails and key features of validations. Uh, Off-chain transactions processing. Volume process most transactions off-chains, reducing the load on the base layers. Only a limited set on transaction data to publish to the Ethereum base layer, optimizing performance and lowering costs. जी जी जी। Hey guys, key features of validiums of change transaction processing, validations, validiums processing most transactions of change, reducing the load on the base layers. Only limited set of transaction data is published to the Ethereum base layers, optimize performance and lowering cost. What validity proofs and transaction verifications. The okay Validity proofs to ensures the integrity of chains transactions. Validiums use validity proofs of Ethereum's layers. One these proofs ensures that the transactions data is trustworthy and has not been tampered with. Transactions verifications are validity a validity proof is attached to every batch of transactions before it is published on the Ethereum based layers. The Ethereum network only accepts and verifies these transactions if they are accompanied accompanied by a valid proof confirming the correctness of the data. Swan and Validium and the ZK stack. The ZK stack, the elastic chains concept created by the ZK Snack team, addresses one of the biggest challenges in today multi-chain ecosystem interoperability. The problems with the current multi-chains landscape. In today crypto environment, so we face not only numerous layers one chain but also a multitude of layers to L2 solutions. Will these abundance improves scalability? It creates a significant user experience challenge. Uh, Fragmentations. Liquidity gets spread thinly across valuations ecosystem, leading to fragmented user attentions and suboptimal ecosystem engagement and bridging complexity. Number two, bridging exist between chain in a comparison process blurs by security risk. Many breeds really on third party protocols, notorious for exploits and hacks. In infancy, lengthy transactions times, high fees, missed trade opportunities due to delays. Example, the breeds problems. Users of chain I sees trading opportunity on chain B. Here's the process. Find reliability breeds limited the transaction size and the breeds fee. What for points transfer often displays finally executed the trade like too late. This tedious and risk work for low makes the user experience frustrating and inefficient. And next, introducing the elastic chain. The elastic chain ZK solutions to the problems networks of seamlessly interoperable ZK chain. And key features of the elastic chain: seamless. Number one, seamless interoperability. And number two, elastic scalability. And number three, unified user experience. Number four, elastic chains architectures. The elastic chains architectures powered by three more components: ZK routers, ZK gateway, ZK chain. Okay, how it works? This is the elastic chains is where vast networks of interconnected reviewers and streamlets the mirrors reverse Ethereum as a central source stream and distributors during a thunderstorm and naturals filters and bridges between stream and spawn role in the elastic chain. Benefits for Sophon: limitless scalability, seamless interoperability, and composability. Vision's alignment. Conclude the elastic chain is not just a technical innovation, it is a game changer for how users and application interact with blockchain ecosystem by revolving fragmentation uh, and breeds challenge. Provides a seamless, secure, and scalable network. Okay. Native account abstraction is widely regarded as a revolutionary concept in the crypto world due to the potential to greatly enhance the user experience. Let's break it down step by step. Type of Ethereum accounts. Number one, extremely on accounts, EOAS, and controlled by functionality and Robbie wallet, MetaMask, and Coinbase wallet, and contract accounts and functionality. The ideal solutions. What is account distributions? The introduced of EIP 4337 brought accounts abstractions of Ethereum ecosystem. EP 4337 is a major lab and smart contracts accounts and so phone approach to account abstractions and native double AVS APs 4337 implementations levels of phone CK native double A and each 4337 account type and so on. Zinc native AAA and EP 4337 transaction processing so on. Zinc native AAA future unified transactions flow with a single mempool for both EOAS and smart contracts accounts. The operator voids transactions regards of accounts types and sends them of the bottle leaders which process them seamlessly. Okay. And number four, paymasters support and voice of one native double A matters. Advantages of native AA on phone: unified user experience, no separate floors, complex and structures, all accounts behave consistent, gas abstractions for all, and streamlined land transactions, protocols, level security. Okay, and enhancing phone accounts with paymasters. Paymaster further regulate the functionality of phone security, embracing transaction fees and improving user experience, conclusions, and more payment and paymasters. What are paymaster and why you should use them? Paymasters are one of the key features of ZK Act stack. They are a special type of smart contracts that can be the gas cost of transactions, enabling greater flexibility for dApps and a seamless experience for their users. Benefits of payments. There are a few benefits of payment centers: protocol sponsorships and transaction limits, NFT based fee waivers, and alternative gas payment. Okay. and implementations. For details technical informations about implementing paymaster, including deployment options and congratulations, please refers to our technical sections. Okay. And soft, SOP at soft tokenomize soft tokens details, tickets of and token standards, ERS20 total split 10 billions, and allocations to the sophone communities 57% contract addresses, and Ethereum's sophone BSC phase Arbitrum playgrounds. For details technical informations about breeds of different chains, see the soft breeds guides. There are two reasons soft is native to Ethereum. The first is that ZK attacked only support chains with base tokens that exist on L1. The second is that we are one L2 relying on L2 security and token allocation snapshot. Soft one native tokens um, has a fixed supply of 10 billion tokens, and category tokens allocations and visiting and Grailure's breakdowns, node operators, and investors, core contributors, ecosystem reserves, and post mainnet liquidity mining, and airdrop breakdowns, mainnet liquidity mining airdrop, and bonus airdrop, and emissions scheduled, and emuli. Soft utility. What is soft? What is soft? Soft is the main utility token for the software's networks planning, an essential role on its current and future operations. So we accept the utility to revolve over time as our networks and our products offering grow incorporating new utilities as we do. There are there is plenty balance on the products front to stay turn for the valuation of SOPH at launch of will serves two purpose. It will be used pay gas fee on the network, and it will be used of facilitates the decentralizations of phones sequencers using of stacking mechanism. Gas. All transactions on the phone networks will be paid for in gas. Okay. And paymasters page for more details. Stacking. Stacking on phone support to the and cryptoeconomic security of the network, and stacking bids. Iran bad guess by stacking hours of airdrop and unlock future benefits in the sophon ecosystem. Bad guess will be reward eligible airdrop response based on whether they stack the airdrop or not. This bad guess will be features on your phone's profile and may entitles you to future benefits within the sophone ecosystem. Bits tiers. There are three tiers bits where bronzes, silvers, and gold. Gold beds, silver beds, and bronze beds. stack more than 50% of the your airdrop. Adult quant system and Sherlock audit report softens priority security and integrity to ensures that highest standard we are constantly engaging with the leading blockchain security firm to conduct comprehensive audits of our contracts. You can view for full audits reports to so far. And security, staying safe in the sophone ecosystem. Phishing and online scam are some of the most common tickets used by fraudsters to steal funds, sensitive informations, or access to your accounts. As part of the phone ecosystem, it is critical stay vigilant and ensure you interact only with verified and trusted applications, contract, and addresses. And common tickets used by scammers, fake websites, malicious link, and impersonations, fake contracts, and warning. Verify to trust and best practices of white scam. Verify everything. Check secures sources. Beware of urgency. Bookmarks official sites and verify no. Okay. Status. The status page shows the current operational capacity of Sophon Mainnet. Sophon Mainnet and navigations. There are four tabs you can switch between. Each provide helpful info regarding Sophon Mainnet. Status overview: active incidents, active maintenance, scheduled maintenance. Okay, and status overview. Under the status overview tab, you will components current status, clicking the drop down arrow next to minute referrals the various component and component current status. And web3 T API prover web3 web sockers API sponsor. Okay. Socials. Stay up to date with the latest news and developments from so far through our official social channel website, Telegram, X, formerly Twitters, and Discovers. Okay. Okay. And next, soft FAQ. And the next discussion is FAQ, soft launch pool. Gate Launch Pool FAQ. What is Gate Launch Pool? Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where users can stack GT, BTC, Ethereum, STT, or others tokens to earn early airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It is the ultimate platform for the for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Join now, and how can I participate in Gate Launch Pool? First, log into your Gate account and navigate to the Gate Launch Pool page. Then choose the project you can want to participate in and stack your Just check the participants guide. And how can I stack it in Gate Launch Pool? The tokens eligible for participations will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Gate Launch Pool to view more details. How many tokens will be rewards? Hourly stacking reward and individual artist of one hour valid of stacking amount, total pool stacking amount, and hourly reward pool. The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hoard and take the average stacking amounts as the valid stacking amount. How are reward distributed? How are reward distributed? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts. Hourly and tokens reward are distributed to eligible users. Hourly earning will be distributed into user sport accounts. And when will the stacking adjust be redeemed? After the user redeemed in advanced or the stacking incomplete, the stacking adjust will be transferred to simple errand by default. If these options unchecking, the stack adjust will be redeemed into sport adjust. If the amount of redeemed adjust is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of simple errand, the adjust will be automatically transfers to sport adjust. If simply errand does not support to claim the redeemed tokens, the adjust will also be automatically transferred as sport adjust. Question number 7: can I redeem my stacking adjust at any time? The platform will stack multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each or and calculate the valid stacking amount. However, early redemptions may result in the loss of accurate reward. Please mention stable stacking amount to ensure mining reward. In addition, each stacking pools imposes of daily redemptions limit. Individual users can only withdraw up to 3 times a day per pool. Please plan your redemptions carefully maximize your reward and avoid any potential impact on your earning. Okay. And question number 8: can I add additional stacking adjust? You can increase your stacking adjust at any time. The more tokens you stack, the greater your potential mining reward. However, once the rewards cap is reached, you will not longer receive stacking reward. Question number 9: can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on the same time, you can stack in different pools to receive new tokens mining rewards for multiple projects. Each stacking pool needs to be stacked separately. If you only stack just in pool, you will not be able to obtain reward from pool B. You can stack pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining rewards of new tokens. Question number 10: what is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hourly reward can cap per users for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stacking rewards will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcement or the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. Well, stacking is just in the gate launch pool impact my VIP level. No exhaust stacking in the gate launch pool will be included in the exhaust holding calculations for holder airdrop, launchpad, and VIP privilege. What question number 12: what will happen to my funds if the project is ended early? In case of early ending your stacking, Stacked principals will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed on the whole after the end time. The interest distributions before the ending will not be affected. About annual percentage rate APR. One question number one: when the reward coins in the stack coins APR total reward released in the last horse total stack multiple 33 65 multiple 24 multiple 100%. Okay, and question number two: when the reward coins is not the stack coins APR total reward released on the whole X closing price of the reward coins of the last or total stacked closing price of the stacked coin on the last or multiple 365 multiple 24 multiple 100%. The APR is an estimate, and for reference only the actual annualized return you finally receive shall prevails. APR data is update hourly. Okay. And unlocking rules 100% unlocking gate launch pool allows user to stacking early. You can stack your assets before the project officially launches, ensuring you start in earning reward immediately once mining begins. Reward distributions: the systems will distribute tokens rewards to user support accounts every hour based on the proportions of assets stacked by each user. Git launch pool FAQ and how to I'm already FAQ and how to participate. Log into your Git account and complete your identity verification. Navigate to Git launch pool. Hold at least at 0.01 GT 0.000001 BTC 5 for click stack and exclusive stacking limits privilege for VIP user. VIP 5 and above users enjoy exclusive stacking limits when participating in launch pool with up to 500% stacking limit bonus. VIP level VIP levels and GT pool maximum stacking amounts per users. GT pool maximum stacking amounts per users. Okay, and project informations. Sofan is a platform detected to in onboarding the next generations of crypto users through everyday useful consumers products that monetize and reward the data as will naturally products. So phone takes blockchains by one speculations powering real applications people love and use daily without a website. Okay, and this is a website. Okay, I'm already reading websites. Okay. Get investment disclosures. Get Labs did not invest to Sophon, Soph Notes. Get Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where users can stack GT, BTC, AETH, USD, or other tokens to earn holy airdrops of hot and new coins with high entry barriers and high APRs. It is the ultimate platform for opportunistically capturing market opportunities. Number two, please complete identity verifications before participating in Gate Launch Pool to enhance the security of your account and is just number three, please adhere to the relevant rules of the evils when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited and Accuracy of any dishonesty will result in disqualifications of the rewards. Number 4, where any discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the original English versions, English versions shall prevail. Get reserves all right to the final explanations. Number 6, this event is not affiliated with Apple ins and users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including the participations in the events game competitions. See the use agreement and further details on restricted location. Everyone, welcome join my live channel. How are you today? Good morning and have a nice day. Good day. And risk warning, and the last risk warning: the project team does not guarantee that the token price will not be lower than its initial sale price. Please invest with quotations and does not invest by want our financially capacity. The crypto project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operations and underlying technology of the projects and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. Number 3, in advanced technicals and financial knowledge is required to understand it and evaluate the inherent risk. Crypto is just investment. Number 4, the market volatility is high and the price of a token might fluctuate drastically due to technicals, regulatory, and marketing factors. User may not be able to withdraw all the purchased tokens due to technical issues of the project of Gate. And last, Gate teams May 28, May 2025, Gateway to Crypto and trade over 3800 cryptocurrency safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Okay, and take action no, sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome reward. Invite friend and earn 40% commissions. Stay connected. Visit Gate official website, download the Gate app and stop, and follow us on X Twitter to get more bonus. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insight, transparency, and security. Check our 100% proof of reservices. Okay, guys. In the last, everyone, thank you so much. Join my live channel and every ladies and gentlemen and every my friends, welcome and thanks, a lot of thanks to join my live stream and support me. Okay, my project is ended, and Allah Hafiz, take care everyone.